Do you ever find yourself rushing through meals, barely tasting your food, only to feel uncomfortable or unsatisfied afterward? Learning to chew your food slowly is absolutely possible, and it is a powerful practice that transforms your relationship with eating and significantly improves your digestion. It is a fundamental step toward more mindful living. This practice works wonders because proper chewing is the very first stage of digestion. When you thoroughly break down food in your mouth, you are not only easing the burden on your stomach and intestines, but you are also signaling your brain that food is coming, preparing your digestive enzymes, and helping your body absorb nutrients much more effectively. To begin, start with a simple awareness exercise. Before taking your first bite, pause, take a deep breath, and notice your hunger cues. Once you take a bite, consciously put your fork or spoon down between mouthfuls. This simple action naturally slows down the pace of your eating. Next, focus on the texture and flavor of the food as you chew it. Aim for 20 to 30 chews per bite, or until the food becomes a smooth, almost liquid consistency. Try counting your chews for the first few bites, which helps to build the habit. A key to making this stick is to make your eating environment supportive. Minimize distractions like screens or loud music. Instead, engage your senses, appreciating the colors, aromas, and tastes of your meal. You might also notice a phenomenon called the satiety signal. When you eat slowly, your body has enough time to send signals to your brain indicating that you are full, which can help prevent overeating and lead to better weight management. By adopting these mindful chewing habits, you will not only enhance your body's ability to digest and absorb essential nutrients, but also deepen your appreciation for each meal. This simple shift creates a profound ripple effect, fostering greater presence and satisfaction in your daily life, transforming a routine activity into a deeply nourishing experience.